guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about safety equipment. Stay tuned. I already talked in the previous video about my backpack. Today we're gonna talk only emergency equipment. Let's see. Again. First of all, right here we have our fire rod that in the previous video I showed you how to use and how to make fire. And this is very important. Plus this one I have a whistle that is very important when you are in the wild. Attract the attention. Here the waterproof cover for the cotton that is will help you to initiate a fire. Why is useful to have a pen with you, especially this kind of pen? Pen is made by Boker and have a glass breaker. It's always useful to have. You can use as well as a weapon, but they have also a pen. Why is good to have a pen? It's very useful for tracking situation, to get your position in the map, for writing the map as well. Always carry with you the emergency sleeping bag that protect yourself from the cold. I don't take out everything because it's not so easy to put in this very nice position, but anyway I always carry one or two of that cover, emergency cover. I can take out like that, they can cover yourself during emergency. Mirror is essential, especially a metal mirror, because it's unbreakable, for attract attention and create a signal. Always have. Always carry a match for a fire. Lighter. Zippo. Now, in my previous video I show you a lot about a knife. Knife are essential. Is the most important tool actually. A knife is very important because it's the only tools that is very hard to do it in the nature, in the wild, and is the only tools that can help you to create another tools, like another weapon, like a shelter. From the beginning of our history, get a blade is very important. A map is always useful to have, to help you tracking, to help your navigation. A compass as well. I already make a video about this one. Okay, depending of where you are, a satellite phone like Inmarsat, especially if you are using the boat, is very useful tools. This kind of Inmarsat Pro have also the account Twitter installed. So you don't care about the coverage. This is they have a sign everywhere. Unless, of course, you need the open sky to reach the signal. It's very useful. They give a very details of your position. You can call help with that one. Very useful. First aid kit. Fire kit. Here I have also on the back the signal for a rescue with the helicopter. Here we have some foil. It's good to create for boiling the water if you don't have a canteen. Some matches. Always good to have. I keep inside this Bear Grylls Essential Scout. Was the first aid, but I prefer to keep here all the fire stuff and the first aid kit here. This is a survival fishing kit from Uncle Flint's. You just remove this tape for opening it. Inside we have the classic fishing stuff. This is a razor, and I have a razor blade. Is very sharp. This is for cleaning your fish. The classic hook, very big for very big fish. This one. A lot of survival stuff. Again, the most important for now is first aid kit, the knife, the flashlight. Another essential is the canteen. If it's metal canteen like that one, is very useful because you can put directly straight in the fire for boiling water, and you get potable water as well. Don't have a worry about this stuff that you can remove quickly. Second, that you can remove very simple like this. And you have separate for canteen. Inside I put also this shaker from GNC. Metal bowl, stainless steel. Well, it's good to have for getting your for mix your stuff inside. On the previous video I already show you how to use the live straw. Actually it's very simple. It's a very good filter. If you don't want to boil in the water, you can use straight on the water source. Just first before to use, just remember to blow like this to remove all dirty water may remain inside here at the filter, and then you're ready to use. I use a lot, especially when I sleep outside on the woods. It's very useful to have. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you as soon as possible.